Toyota Sienna 2004. As you see here, the temperature, it is above normal. So when the vehicle is running and when I stop, the temperature increase rapidly. This could mean the fan not working or low antifreeze, but we'll see. Now the vehicle is running. Let's check the fans. So it's good to have a scan tool to check the fans, otherwise you have to wait to see if the fan, there are two fans over there, 1, 2. So when the temperature increased about at normal temperature, which is about half, the fan should turn, both fans should turn on. But as you see now, the fan are not working. Oh, here we go. Yeah, now I can see the fan is working now, good. So that's a good thing. If the fan not working, you need to check the fuses. There are a fuse box here. You need to check all the fuse box, and there is also, so you can check here where the says the fan. See, there is a fuse and there is also relay. So this says fan, and this one sits like that. Yeah, and that's the one. This is the fan relay. You need to check it if it's working or not. You can switch the relay to make sure, and then wait until the fan kicks on. But if you have a good advanced scan tool, you can check the fan without waiting. Now the fan is working, which is good. Second, now the fan see, first they turn slowly, now they are in high speed. Both fan now high speed now. And once you check the relay and the relay is good, next you can go to the fuse box. So that's the relay for the fan. Those are one. This is the heater, air condition, and the fan. That's the one here. Good way to check the relay. You can take this, remove this. See, as soon as I remove this, the fan will be off. It's really hard to remove it. You need maybe pliers or something. Okay. So basically, see, I removed the relay. Okay, so this relay, when you remove it, the fan is still on. Both fans are on because the relay, it gives the first power to the fans. But also there is another fuse, like for the fan, you need to check. If the fuse burn, and this one goes only one way, as you see now, the fan, when they turn on the first time, it was they were both a little bit slow, but a few seconds later, the fan in full power, in high speed, both of them, which is good. So the fan, both of them working really well. So the fuse, fan fuse, engine fan fuse here, when I look at this fuse box cover, it does not tells me, you know, I mean, see this, all those letters like the horn, door, and so on, you know, the EFI, which is the fuel pump and so on. But to this one, usually the fans fuse are the highest amperage, which is this one here. You see this 30 amp, and when you look here you see this one here, the 30 amp, that's the fuse for the fans. So if your fan in Toyota Sienna 2004 2010 or so, the fan are not working, you need to check the fuse first to make sure it's not blowing or it's not burning. Yeah, if so, you need to replace it, and the which is the relay. So both fuse and relay for the fans. Relay here says the fan, see one here, which is this here, and that's how you diagnose your car fans if they are not working. And but in this case we have the thermostat need to be replaced. We'll do that in next video. Second, we need to check the antifreeze. Now, never open this when the car is hot. Never open this. This will be super hot and will explode the steam. The hot temperature antifreeze will basically blow everywhere. So very careful. Never open this. You can also add here. So here is the low. When I look here, you can see this one is low, so we're gonna add antifreeze. Some vehicle takes, like this one is 50-50 and it's green. Some vehicle takes the red antifreeze. Never mix them, just make sure which antifreeze. This one takes the green, 50-50 already mixed. So we're just gonna add more antifreeze here. There are also two lines in this container, tells you low and low, high level or low. See, this is almost empty. This is the reserve for the antifreeze. When this is low, see, now it's here's the, this is full. You can see there it says full, low. So we are in full now. It was basically nothing left in this container, and that's why the engine is hot. The third thing, which is more complicated, it's the thermostat. The thermostat located in somewhere here in this area. You need to open a lot of things, remove the battery, remove the intake, remove a lot of things to reach the thermostat. Takes like a few hours of work, and so that's what basically troubleshooting of the if the car in a high temperature. I think this one needs definitely thermostat because it's never been replaced. So this is how you check high temperature. Let's go to check the temperature now since the fan is on. See, temperature is still way too high. See that? So that's definitely are the thermostat. The thermostat are definitely not working here. So I have to turn the car off. Never drive the car or let it run when the temperature it's way too high. See the temperature, it is way too high. That's very dangerous. And so the fan is on, we added antifreeze, but the temperature is still above normal, and we need to replace the engine thermostat, and this is not easy job. Maybe we'll do this in next video. And this is Toyota Sienna 2004 CE V6. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for next video. All the best, and hope to see you next time.